Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important operators, increment and decrement operators in C++. Actually, C++ supports two useful operators, namely increment operator, that is plus plus symbol, and then decrement operator, that is minus minus symbol. So they are unary operator. First thing is that both increment and decrement operators are unary operators. Unary operator means they need only one variable. So the increment operator adds the value 1 to the operand and decrement operator subtract the value 1 to the operand. So what does it mean? It means, let's say I say my variable is a. Just a minute. And let's say this value of a is 5. So when I say plus plus a or when I say a plus plus, it means I want to say a is equal to a plus 1. So I want to increment the value of a by 1. Same is with decrement operator. So in this video we will discuss about increment operator, and then in the next video we will discuss about decrement operator. So basically this increment operator is of two type. Let's say this is my increment operator. This increment operator is of two type. Symbol is plus plus. This is of two type. First one is pre-increment and the second one is post increment. Pre-increment and post increment. What does it mean? Because as the name suggests, it is saying pre-increment. It means when we write plus plus symbol before a, then it is known as pre-increment. Post means after a. So when we write a plus plus, then it means post increment. So what is the difference between these two operators? Both of them, even if I write plus plus a or I write a plus plus, both of them makes the value of a to a plus 1, a to a plus 1. But there is a slight difference between these two operators, plus plus and plus plus a and a plus plus. So first one is, from here, first one is pre-increment. So pre-increment means pre-increment first increase the value, pre-increment operator first increase the value and then assign it to the variable and then assign it to the variable. I will explain what does it mean. And post increment first assign and then print value. Post increment first assign and then increment and then increment. This is about post increment. So this is the basic difference. How this difference work? Let's say I take one variable x and the value of x is 1, and then I take another variable y, then I take another variable y, and first I say y is equal to plus plus a. When I say y is equal to plus plus a, it means y is equal to a plus 1, because this is pre-increment. First it will increment the value of a, this operator increment the value of a, and then this will assign to y. So at this stage both, it's not a, it's x. So So at this stage both x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Now let us say instead of this plus plus x, if I take two variables, here, if I take two variables here, let us say p is equal to 1 and then I take another variable q, and now here I say q is equal to p plus plus. Now here I say q is equal to p plus plus. So what does it mean? This is post increment. Post increment first assigns the value to q and then increment the value of p. So what is the value of p first? 1. So first 1 will go to the q. So q will be 1. Now after that it will increment. After that it will make p is equal to p plus 1. So here p is equal to 2. This is the basic difference. This is pre-increment. This operator first increment the value of x, that is 2, and then 2 will be assigned to y. This is post increment. Post increment first assigns the value of p to q, that is 1, and then increment the value of p only. Okay. So let us check it on Visual Studio first, then we will go with some more examples of it. So this is pre and post increment. So let us take variable x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 and then another variable y, and let us say I write y is equal to x plus plus. When I write y is equal to x plus plus, or first I should write y is equal to plus plus x. So when I write y is equal to plus plus x and here I say C out y is equal to y and line x is equal to x and line. So now we will print value of x and y. So at this stage this is pre-increment. So this pre-increment means value of, first it will increment the value of x, then that value will be assigned to y. So x will be x plus 1, that is 2, and then this 2 will go to the y. So let us run it and check it. So here y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2. Now if instead of this pre-increment, if I do post increment, for example here only I write x plus plus. So this is post increment. This is post increment. So post increment says first value of x will go to the y and then x will be incremented. So x will be 2 and y will be 1. X will be 2 and y will be 1. Now let us take some other examples.